In this video, we will be showing you how to manage your Meet Me Conferencing Bridge using the VoIP phone system admin portal. The Meet Me Conferencing Bridge settings allow you to determine which users can use the conference bridge, update the bridge name and caller ID information, set the maximum number of conference participants per bridge, and the maximum length of conferences on the bridge. To access these settings, first ensure you are logged in as the group administrator, or if you are the enterprise administrator, use the drop-down box and choose the group that contains the conference bridge you want to manage. Then, click on the Group Services tab. Use the Site Services menu and click on the Meet Me Conference option. Use the drop-down box and choose the bridge you want to edit. From this page, you can change the name of the bridge and update the caller ID information for the bridge. You may choose a department from the drop-down box to limit access to the bridge by department. Adjust the language and time zone settings to determine how the conferences will be configured and when the system will reserve conferences. The maximum ports available will list the maximum number of participants you have based on the package you purchased. The Allocated Ports option allows you to configure the maximum number of participants per conference. This number may be lower than the maximum ports because you may want to have multiple simultaneous conferences. You may also allow individual outdial, which will allow you to make outbound calls from the moderator tool to add participants to the conference. Choose options to set the maximum duration of the conference in order to avoid conflicts. You may also choose to play a warning prompt to participants if a conference is nearing the end of its scheduled time. There are separate configurations for maximum conference duration for scheduled conferences versus one-time and reservationless conferences. At the bottom of the page, choose which users may be a part of the conference bridge. Search through all users by clicking on the Search button, or locate a specific user using last or first name. Once you've located the user you wish to add, highlight their name in the Available Users box, and then click the Add button to make them a conference host. To remove a conference host user, click their name in the conference host list, and then click the Remove button. Conference hosts are the users that have the ability to set up conferences or be delegates of a conference. Individual conferences must be set up through the user's individual portal or through the Meet Me Conferencing Outlook add-in with a conference host user's credentials. Click the Save button to keep your changes. For more information about our products and services, please visit our support page at telesystem.us.